Good morning. It's my birthday today. So we are going to Magic Kingdom and we're a little bit behind. We are trying to get there for early entry. Like we're trying to get in there for like the start of early entry, like we did with Epcot, but we are a little bit behind and we have to get a bus there. So it might take a bit longer to get there. So I don't know when we're actually going to arrive, but we bought Genie Plus for the day, which is like the new Fast Pass. So we already have one booked. You just book one at a time, which is slightly annoying. But I mean, we've never used it, so we'll try it out and we'll figure it out. But yeah, we have one booked, so we're just shooting around the resort now looking for the bus stop. And oh, we found it. So yeah, so we are going to try and get on Jungle Cruise first, because that is the top tip, and then Mine Train. And then we've got Peter Pan booked as a Fast Pass. So that's all we've got planned so far. We don't have any like special meals planned for today or anything. We did look, because obviously it's a special occasion, but nothing really took my fancy. So we're just gonna go with the flow, and we'll probably duck out in the middle of the day again like we did yesterday and get a little break. But that's it. Oh, I've got my birthday ears on. These are my birthday present, so I bought the black ones for myself and Pete bought me the pink ones, so I've got those on today. Yeah, so okay, it looks not too busy, so fingers crossed we'll see you at Magic Kingdom. There it is, we're here. Oh my gosh, it's so busy. We got here just in time, but we're gonna still go with the plan and hope for the best. It is absolutely jammers on Main Street right now, but it's lovely and it's shaded here, which is very nice. Oh, and there's a breeze. This is good. It is going to be a little cooler today than yesterday, thank God. It was very hot yesterday at one point. So, what do you think of it?
Yeah, it's pretty.
God, you're such a Disney boyfriend.
It's pretty.
Just coming along for the ride.
A house of magic, keys and puzzles. Okay. I know where I'm going.
All right, I'll be at Jungle Cruise. Bye.
Some kids gorillas are up to some kind of monkey business. They did get my Jeep to turn over though. Yeah, I forgot heading for the Nile River, which is actually the longest river in the world. Yeah, it goes on for Niles. And Isles. This is our sandstone rock formation, which is actually one of our bolder attractions, but for whatever reason, everybody takes this thing for granted. You know, honestly, I could stand here and marble on it all day and just thought you guys should know that it rocks. Well, first, the money you've all been waiting for, the earnings to wander around the world. The next guy!
Okay, we're off Pirates of the Caribbean now. We did Jungle Cruise and that was really good. And then we got on to Pirates of the Caribbean and that was really fun as well. And now we're gonna get some breakfast. Which was your favorite actually between Jungle Cruise and Pirates?
I think I prefer Jungle Cruise because of the puns. It's non-stop. It's great. But this is good. This is really good.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna wander around here now. And then we're going to get some food and go to the Emporium on Main Street and try and find some magic bands. And that'll probably be nearly time for, no, we have a lightning round at what time, 25 past 1?
25 past 12.
Oh, 25 past 12, then it might actually lead us pretty close to that. So that's when we're doing Peter Pan, and oh, actually we can probably nearly book our second one now because of the confusing 120-minute rule.
Yeah,
so,
half an hour.
Yeah, we'll be able to book another one in half an hour. So that's about it for now.
Yo ho.
Yo ho, yo ho.
If you're happy and you know it, give us $1. No.
We got magic bands. I got the Winnie the Pooh one because, you know, how can I not? gonna go ride Winnie the Pooh soon actually as well. Hopefully, I hope we meet Winnie the Pooh and I can show him my magic wand. I don't need to see meat actually at the moment. Some of them aren't back. But we came out of the Emporium and just caught the last few minutes of the Dapper Dans passing by, so that was really fun because I've always wanted to see them. So hopefully we'll catch them again later in the day. It is so packed on Main Street right now. It's crazy. We haven't had our breakfast yet. We are thinking about going over to the Main Street Bakery across the road there, which is like a Starbucks, but there's a queue to get in. It seems shorter than it was earlier though. So
You can just jump in.
I think we might just have to get in the queue because there aren't really many other places for breakfast that you don't have to book. So I think that's our option. So let's head over there and yeah, then I guess we'll figure out what ride to do next, or maybe it's time for Peter Pan.
You're gonna go 3 casts.
Yeah, we're a lot less, we don't really have a strategy today. Like today seems a lot more just kind of doing stuff and just wandering about than yesterday.
There's a lot here. A lot
Yeah,
more.
there's a lot to do and there's a lot of people as well that we have to like get around. So, yeah. Anyway, time for food. We are on the hub grass for lunch. What have we done? We have done the Enchanted Tiki Room, the Swiss Family Treehouse, and the Country Bear Jamboree. And then we used our Lightning Lane for Splash Mountain, and that was amazing. And now we're at Casey's Corner having lunch, and there's a show going on in front of the castle, which is really nice because we can kind of see it and we can hear it. So this is like super atmospheric. But big moment because I have never had a hot dog before, ever. And today's the day. I don't think I'm going to like it, so I'm only taking a bite of pizza. I have my own, which is a veggie dog, and I've heard good things, and it looks really good. So that's my veggie dog, and some chips. And then Pete got just a regular old hot dog that I'm going to try. Alright.
Here.
You want to hold?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, here we go. I'm going to hate it, aren't I? It looks gross. I don't hate it. That's fine. I actually think I prefer that one. If it had all this stuff on it. Fireworks. Yeah, if it had all the toppings on that one.
Yeah. Yeah, you're topping for me. But only out of spite. Because I do not care for arcade games, and I was not doing well until we got stuck facing a target, and I just kept hitting it over and over and over and over and over and over again. Well, I couldn't reach anything.
So I won.
And yeah, I'm kind of glad I didn't wait in like a 40-minute line for that.
No.
It was also really short actually, even considering the fact that we stopped a couple times in it. So yeah. I don't know. What are we doing now? What's next?
We're going to Big Thunder Mountain.
Oh yes, we got a Big Thunder Mountain. I forgot about that.
then
We
we're
got
gonna get
one
some
like
Dole
right now.
Whip.
Yeah, and then get a Dole Whip or an ice cream or something. And we are going to leave the park and go to the Polynesian, and go to the lounge there, hopefully for some food and a drink or two, and then come back in later tonight for the fireworks. And it's open till 11. So yeah, just finish out the night here.
Friends from near and far, it is now time for the magical Friendship Fair Grand Celebration. Now join us in welcoming back our new friends from the land of the Beachy Bayous, Tiana, Naveen, and Lewis.
Oh, I look so tired. Oh no. We are having a sit at the moment. We had a lightning lane for Winnie the Pooh, but it's gone down. So we're just hanging out for a bit because fireworks are starting soon. And we don't want to go out and like fight for a spot right now. We're going to wait a little bit. But we had some dinner in the Polynesian, and yeah, so we're gonna. Oh, we got the boat. We got the boat back. It was so nice. The sunset was absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. So yeah, we're gonna watch the fireworks show, and then we, because Winnie the Pooh was down, we were able to obviously get a different ride for our lightning lane. So we've got Haunted Mansion for when the fireworks are over. So we'll do that, and then we'll see if we can get Winnie the Pooh again before we go, and maybe one more thrill ride, like redo Thunder Mountain or Splash Mountain or something like that before we go home to bed. Because we are doing early entry for Animal Kingdom tomorrow, so that's going to be an early start. So get used to this, because this is probably going to be as tired as I look for the next 24 hours.
It is, I mean...
It's like 2 o'clock in the morning our time.
3 in the morning.
So considering it is only day 2 for us, we are probably starting to feel a bit jet lagged. But also, I mean, we've been on the go all day long since yesterday. Well, since the day before, if you count our travel day. So, you know, we're tired.
1 in the morning.
1 in the morning our time.
Still
so pretty here at night. We're walking along the waterway because Splash Mountain's only 15 minutes and we both really enjoyed that today, and I am very intrigued about doing it in the dark. So we're gonna do that, and then we've got a new lightning lane for Winnie the Pooh at 10:15?
20 minutes.
20 past 10. So we'll do that and then we'll go. So this is our 15 minutes, so we should wind up pretty much bang on time for our lightning lane. So I think that will cap off the evening super nicely, and even nicer than that will be a nice shower and then bed. But you know, as far as the parks are concerned, I think we're doing pretty good today. We've just arrived back at our resort. It's 11:15. We are exhausted, so we're going to go in and go to bed and see what time we can drag ourselves out of bed in the morning and go to Animal Kingdom. But I had an absolutely amazing day. It was such a lovely birthday, and we did what we intended to do after the fireworks as well. We got our Winnie the Pooh, we got our Haunted Mansion, and we got our Splash Mountain in the dark, and that was great. So fabulous day, but I am so tired. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.